Guys, this is the bag just for mommy, and do you know what's inside it?
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm Jamaica Janelle, and
this is me, Gabby.
This is a special guest today, Gabby. So if you guys have clicked on this video, you clicked on this video because you were interested in the Ipsy unboxing. And
I want to tell the subscribers something.
Okay.
So if you are new, try to press the bell button and make sure to press the subscribe button,
so you don't miss an upload.
And if you want to come to my party when I grow up, you have to come here. We'll see you at my birthday when I grow up on 6.
Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing for those of you guys who are interested.
I'll help you open it.
You want to help me open it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and pull it open. Got my handy dandy assistant here helping me open stuff.
I like to help.
And I know for those of you guys who have been following my channel, I know this is slightly different, but go ahead and just bear with us today. Alright Gabby, let me go ahead and help you out with that.
Wait, I can do it.
So while she's opening that, Ipsy is a makeup subscription bag company where you pay, I think, like $12 every month, and they send you about 4 to 5, maybe 6 items of like small sample size, so then you can either buy the full month or just keep all the samples. So I'm really excited to see what they have. This is my first time trying them, and I've been wanting to kind of up my makeup game.
I saw something.
You saw something? Let me go ahead and help you. Oh my gosh, you're doing it. You're such a good girl.
I opened it. Mommy, look inside. Wow.
Okay, it is finally open thanks to Gabby. High five. Because you did an awesome job. Alright, so it's going to dump everything out.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness. So this is the little Ipsy Makeup Glam bag.
Ooh, I want to see what's inside. Let's see what's inside.
So I'm just going to show the glam bag first.
Mommy, look. There's a makeup brush.
And then there's a makeup brush.
Is that for your eyes?
Yep, you can use that for your eyes.
Let me open this up.
Right, and then the last thing is this hydration mask.
I want to see what's inside. Here.
Okay. Alright, so now we're opening up the glam bag.
The glam bag.
And there's a lot of good things in there. Okay, so let's see. Right.
Whoa.
Okay. You want to show this up to the camera? Show that to the camera. Let's see what it says on there. This is a lavender lotion. So with lavender, we all know that lavender helps you calm down.
Mommy,
This is a precise eyeliner. And I needed one of these. This is from Girlactix?
Yeah.
Girlactix, Black Noir. Then this is a brow wand from... It's in chocolate. It's from Skone. And then what else is in there? Last thing is called Awake. Awake. And it's a lip therapy. It's a lip therapy.
Everything was in the bag.
Oh, it's so awesome. And then this hydration mask
Let's open it.
has 2. So all of these things in here were only $12. And I got a brush, some lotion, a brow pencil, some lip therapy, and an eyeliner pencil. Oh my goodness. And they also have a way that you can use each thing. So the Girlactix Precise Liner, the Skone Cosmetics Brow Wand in Chocolate, the Awake Lip Therapy Mask, the Rael and Stella Lavender Body Cream, the Rael Hot Hydration and Vitamin C Facial Sheets, and the Complex Culture All Over Shadow Brush. These were all $12. They're all sample sizes, and I'm really excited to go and try them out. Thank you guys for watching this unbagging video for Ipsy. Gabby, do you have anything to say?
So, if you want to come to this video, make sure to press the subscribe button and make sure to press the bell button.
Yep, so you heard her. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell so you won't miss any uploads from me and occasionally my special guest and my favorite daughter, Gabby. I love you.